everybody, here we are. It's a very wintry evening. I'm just about to make tofu scramble for my wife when she comes home from work. She's going to be warming up because it's really cold out there. She's got to walk in the snow. So we're going to make her some really nice tofu scramble. So we're just going to go. So here we are. You're going to need an onion, or half an onion, olive oil, tofu, salt, pepper, sage, turmeric, a little bit of bouillon, some yeast flakes, tomato and some spinach. So the first thing you're going to need to do is slice up your onion. Next thing you need to do is slice up your tomato. And I think we're probably only going to use half of this tomato, we'll use that for something else. Put that to one side. And the other thing you're going to need, of course, to chop up is your tofu. I got this one from Tesco's, I believe. So here's your tofu, just slice that up again into like, I don't know, into something about the same size as like a sugar cube or something like that, that sort of size. Again, you don't have to be too precious with it. Next thing, of course, is your spinach. So just a good handful of spinach there, and again, slice that up. Now we just need to put just a little bit of oil into the pan. There we go, heat that one up. Now our oil's heated up, we're just going to add in those onions. Just let those just brown a little first, and then there we go, those onions have been in there for a couple of minutes now. I'm just going to put in the tofu. Oops. At least I'll try and get it in the pan without putting it on the counter. There we go. So there we go, that tofu's been in there for a couple of minutes now. Just going to add in our salt and our pepper. You can put in as much or as little as this as you want. Ooh, that's a little bit too much. There we go. Add that in. Add a little bit of bouillon, maybe like half a teaspoon. Coming to add in our yeast flakes, you need to be quite generous with this, and I'm going to put, I think probably 2 teaspoons in there. What you can do, my tofu is quite a wet tofu, but if you had one that was harder, you could use a masher and you could mash it a little bit. I don't really need to do that too much with mine. Then it more resembles like a scrambled egg. So I've put it in there for another minute, and now I'm going to add my spinach and my tomatoes. Mix that in. And our next thing is the turmeric, just a little bit of that. A little bit of sage. Of course, once we've got that turmeric in there, it's all going to start seeing a lovely yellow colour there. There we go, I left that in the pan for another couple of minutes, and now we're going to serve onto some toast and job done. There we go, there's tofu scramble. Very easy, very simple, very quick. I hope the wife likes it when she gets home, and we'll see you next time.